Hi, today I will make two different pairs of hoop earrings from memory wire.
First, I will make one in silver and white beads, and I use memory wire for rings, and this one is very hard, and I cut it so it overlaps like a centimeter. And the first thing you do is to make a loop, and I always make them sideways. I always make them like this so that they're straight, and I have to close this a bit better. Therefore, I'm using my flat nose plier. Like that, and I take the bigger one and just straighten it up a bit. Like that. So then I will string the beads. I use really small silver beads for this. Like that. Then I will make another loop. It's difficult because it's hard to It's very hard wire, so it's a bit difficult, but you gotta be a bit stubborn. Then I will close this loop as well. Like that. I have to straighten them up a bit more. Like that. And then I will use a 4mm jump ring. My camera is not working with me here, but I'll try anyways. So you just open the jump ring, and as always, I put it on backwards first, that one, like that, and then the second one, whoops, and then I put the ear hook on like that, and then you close it. Like that. And this is what it looks like. And I already made the second one. So this is what they look like. And now I will show you one with pink bicones. And it's the same procedure. I've already cut the wire. It's overlapping like 1 centimeter. And I start making a loop. I'm not having much luck with my loops today. I haven't worked with this wire for a while, so that's probably it. There it is. More or less perfect. Did you get the point? There you have it. And then I start stringing my beads. And this time I will fill up the whole earring. Like that. Why is it? There. I use pink glass beads, a little bit like bicones. Now, I forgot the silver beads in between. And now the last silver bead. Like that. And now we're going to make another loop at the end. And I'll close it a bit better. Like that, and I have to straighten them up again. Well, the loops weren't pretty even, but you get the idea. Like that. And now I'll take a jump ring. Now we'll open it. Like that. And I will put it on backwards again. First that one, and then last loop, and then the ear hook, and then I will close it. And this is what they look like when they're finished.